Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out is it bull trend or bearish reversal signal, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to VBull. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup and other links about all my trainings. Market is still on, it's still active, it's not closed yet, still 30 minutes to go. But it's negative today. Dow Jones 0.5% down, S&P 0.5% down, Nasdaq 0.5% down. It's like it was positive and it moved to negative territory. That's what we have. Let's move to charts and we will do review. Let's start. You see dollar? Let me briefly mention about my setup just quickly. I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA 200, purple line it's MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5, green dots bullish reversal signal, red dots bearish reversal signal. That's all. Also MACD indicator, bullish green line, red line signal line, RSI indicator, green line, red line signal line, awesome oscillator, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all, very simple. Let's start it. Green bar, yesterday was green day. Okay, USA dollar daily time frame. For swing trading, I am using 4 hours and daily time frame for entry and exit position. Okay, let's start. DXY USA dollar. Yesterday was bearish, today bullish. It was disconnected from MA5, today is connected to MA5. Still below all moving averages, still bearish on daily time frame. Nothing changed, but it dancing around the same area, right? The same lower area, right? Let's see. Yesterday we were talking about it. It built bearish divergences. Price action is downtrend, but bearish divergences on all indicators. MACD has bearish divergence. RSI did bearish divergence. Awesome oscillator, all indicators they did bearish divergence. Multiple bearish divergences on all indicators. Let's move to, you see the price action downtrend. All indicators uptrend, bullish divergences. On 4 hours time frame, I believe it's already did bullish reversal. No, yeah, look at it. MA5 ready for bullish reversal. Last bar connected to MA20. It was far from MA20 and it did connect to MA20. I told you every time. When it's far from 20, it always wants to connect to 20. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, Osmos let us switch from red to green. What's going on with the dollar? Dollar is bullish, it means it will be negative for indexes. We'll see if dollar will continue bullish trend, but so far it's just first signal, not first signal, it did signals before, but recently it just gave us bullish signal. We'll see if it continue. We need positive to move all moving averages about the 200 at least. We need to move to 200 to test the 200 around 103. It will be bearish for all indexes. Let's move to Qs. Daily time frame, nothing changed. It's a flat day for Qs. Similar, let me maximize it. Volume is decreasing every day. Look at it, you see volume decreasing. MA5 below 10, still bearish. MACD still below red, still bearish. Awesome oscillator still bearish. Only RSI above signal line, still bullish with bearish divergences. All indicators, they have bearish divergences on all indicators and still bearish trend on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. And remember, Qs the weakest index. Let me turn off extended hours. 4 hours time frame for Qs. MA5 below 10 and 20, still bearish. Bullish reversal signal, still green. MACD still bearish, RSI bearish, oscillator bearish, all indicators bearish with bearish divergences also on all indicators. Bearish divergences on all indicators. Nothing changed. Nothing changed for the last 4 days, right? 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Yeah, for the last 2 weeks, it's dancing on the same level. Now, no any new actions. It's just about the same price actions for last 2 weeks. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, MA5 bearish reversal signal, MACD flat, RSI flat, oscillator bearish. Yeah, it's kind of neutral, it's bearish. You see we have that, it left huge gap here. It definitely will close this gap someday. I believe next week it will. But you see it was flat for last few days. Let's move to VXN. Look at it, VXN. Qs negative, VXN minus 3.5%. VXN is a volatility index for Nasdaq. It's negative minus 3.5%. Looks like investors, they do not buy protection. They are not scared about market direction. They completely think the market can go bullish forever. And they do not buy protections. That's not good because market can change direction very quickly to bearish direction. Especially Qs. Qs is already bearish. VXN still bearish. Still bearish, it's bullish for Qs. SPX, SPY. SPX, S&P 500, negative, still above those two major trend line, above the red line. That's the red line. Let me show you weekly time frame. Red line started from the top of the market 14 months ago in 2022. Price action is still, that's a weekly. Let me go to the daily. Daily, daily it is still bullish, right? MA5 still bullish trend, price action is bullish. The last bar above the major trend line. MACD bullish, RSI bullish, oscillator, all indicators bullish with bearish divergences. Bearish divergences with bullish trend. Let's see 4 hours time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. Similar 4 hours. Still bullish on moving averages, no changes. Yeah, this morning the first bar was positive and it moved to negative. Last bar is kind of green. MACD bearish is bearish divergences. RSI has bearish divergences. Oscillator, all indicators they have bearish divergences, multiple. Oscillator bearish, MACD bearish, two indicators bearish, two indicators bullish for SPY, SPX. And my style, when all indicators conform in the same trend direction. When all indicators in the same trend direction, it's a full confirmation. When it's mixed 50-50, it's not a full confirmation. Okay. And I find it bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal, bearish trend on 1 hour time frame for SPX. MACD, all indicators bearish. Bearish with bearish divergences on all indicators. It is bearish trend. Let's see. It's even like this one. It doesn't matter, man. Let's move. It doesn't matter. Still bearish. Still bearish trend with bearish reversal with bearish divergences. 1 hour time frame. I'm sorry. Let's move to VIX. Volatility index for S&P 500. Daily time frame still bearish. It's bullish for SPX. Similar, VIX minus 3%. It means investors, they do not buy protection. They don't believe the market can change direction. When it's a market is so positive, so bullish investors, market can change direction very quickly to negative. It's not good. Okay, VIX still bearish, it's a bullish for SPX. Dow Jones, DIA. Dow Jones, let's see, daily time frame. Let's start from daily. Similar story, right? Weekly time frame. Look at it on weekly time frame. It's the same trend, same pattern, same upper level and lower level major trend lines started 14 months ago. We are the bars dancing between these two trend lines. Let's move to daily. Daily bullish trend. Last bar touched this major trend line. Still bullish on all indicators. Nothing changed since yesterday. Still bullish. 4 hours time frame for Dow Jones. 4 hours time frame. Also bullish on moving averages. Nothing changed. MACD just did bearish crossover, and also oscillator changed color from green to red, and it still has all indicators they have bearish divergences, similar like on daily on 4 hours time frame. Bearish divergences, but 2 indicators bearish, 2 indicators bullish, still 50-50 for Dow Jones. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, they all bearish. 1 hour, all indicators bearish with bearish divergences. You see price action on 1 hour time frame uptrend, MACD downtrend, RSI downtrend, oscillator downtrend, right? It means multiple bearish divergences. Market wants to go bearish. Let's move to VXD. It's volatility index for Dow Jones, also -3%. Dow minus 0.5% and VXD -3. It should be +3. Something broken, something disconnected on the market. It's completely no fear on the market. It's not good. Okay, bearish trend on VXD. It means bullish for Dow Jones, but I believe it's disconnected. It's not expected, or we'll see what will happen next week. IWM daily, Russell 2000, IWM Russell 2000 daily time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It's still kind of neutral, but it's still bullish on all indicators. Still bullish, but remember, all moving averages, especially MA20, below 200. MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, and bars below 200, it is bearish position, negative position. Let's see on the weekly time frame. Similar two trend lines started from the top of the market. Bars still dancing between these two major trend lines. Let's go to daily. Let's see what's going on daily. Like I said, still bearish because it's in negative territory, still below 200. But it's above MA20. It's kind of, positive bullish signal with negative territory. Bullish signal on all indicators, nothing changed since yesterday. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Similar story, still bullish. MA5 ready for bearish crossover. MACD still bullish. RSI still bullish. Oscillator green bearish. 2 indicators bearish, 2 indicators bullish. On 4 hours time frame, mixed mode. No full confirmation. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour bearish trend. On 1 hour it's a bearish trend. On 4 hours and daily it's still in a mixed mode, still bearish on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to Apple. Let me go back to IWM again, sorry. But on 1WM is on IWM for last 2 days it's dancing around 200. MA200 still downtrend and it's dancing around 200. As of now it's below 200. It's negative territory. Apple, let's move to Apple. Apple 1 hour time frame. It was bullish last 4 hours. It changed direction to bearish on moving averages and bearish reversal signal. On a MACD it is still bullish but ready for bearish reversal signal. RSI still bullish, also oscillator bearish on 1 hour time frame, mixed mode. Let's see for Apple on 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bullish. On 4 hours time frame it's bullish on all indicators. Even MACD ready for bullish crossover. Daily time frame for Apple, mixed mode, MA5, bearish signal here on the moving averages on bearish reversal. MACD bearish, also oscillator bearish, only RSI bullish. Similar like Qs, Apple still bearish on daily time frame. Let's see what's going on with Tesla. Tesla daily. Tesla daily still bearish on all indicators. Let's move to 1 hour time frame for Tesla. I'm sorry, 4 hours time frame for Tesla. Still bearish, MA5 below 10, still bearish on all indicators for Tesla. And 1 hour time frame for Tesla. 1 hour time frame it is bullish. It was bearish, but it's, yeah, MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD did bullish crossover, RSI bullish, all indicators did bullish crossover. On 1 hour time frame it's a bullish crossover, but it's in a negative territory. Remember, all moving averages lines below 200, below white line. It is negative bearish territory. Let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group. Let's see what's going on with Alibaba, with BABA. BABA still bearish on 1 hour time frame. MA5 below 10 and 20, bearish reversal signal, bearish signal. MACD flat in the bearish territory. RSI bearish in the bearish territory. Only awesome oscillator bullish, green. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. MA5 did bearish crossover over 20 and 10 and 200 and bearish territory, bearish crossover. It definitely wants to close this gap, this huge gap. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bearish. On 4 hours time frame, let's check daily. Daily it is bearish, and also on all indicators, MACD bearish, RSI, awesome oscillator, all indicators bearish. But only positive thing that MA20 yellow line did bullish crossover, and now last bar touched MA50 and MA20. MA20 did bullish crossover. It is positive on daily time frame. We'll see if the price action will be able to bring MA20 back below 200. And especially all moving averages above 200, it is positive territory. Even trend is bearish, signal is bearish, but territory is bullish on daily time frame, about 200. Yeah, we will monitor it. Okay, let's do summary. Like I said, Qs is the most negative index. It's kind of almost flat. Look at the day. At the end of the day, investors, they are buying indexes. Bullish still, on daily time frame, it is still negative cues. It's a flat, bearish reversal signal on all indicators. All other indexes, they still bullish. They still bullish on daily time frame, like SPY, Dow Jones, and IWM. But on 1 hour time frame and 4 hours time frame, they in a mixed mode, they want to do some bearish reversal signal, but generally still positive, still bullish, all indexes. Still indexes, all bullish. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Please read it. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. And tomorrow I will publish weekly update for all indexes and cryptos. Thank you so much. Bye now.